application name is Let's Talk Now, and this is the introduction for Let's Talk Now. This is the million-dollar question: why Indians are wasting so much time and energy to learn to speak English. This is the question, and we will discuss about this question later on this webinar. Okay, now here's Dr. Stephen Krashen. Dr. Stephen Krashen is born in 1941. He is a language researcher and linguistic professor at the University of Southern California. He is a linguist, educational researcher, and political activist. He wrote famous book on principle and practice in second language learning acquisition. Let's talk now most of the theses and principles and structures based on his study and researches. So welcome to the Let's Talk Now app interface. App name is Let's Talk Now India. This is the official logo, and this application is available on Google Play Store. Soon will be available on iOS App Store so that iPhone users can access the Let's Talk Now app. Okay, now this is the splash screen. Splash screen is screen appears when application starts for the first time. Then the login and sign in screen will appear if the student is new, then he need to sign up, and the existing students can log in directly. This is the home screen. There are 17 tabs, or you can say the 17 options in the application. Number 1 is fluency test. Number 2 is ABCD video. Number 3 is free English speaking course. Number 4, podcast. Number 5, testimonial. Number 6, buy course. Number 7, daily quotes. Number 8, live webinars. Number 9, ask Amol. And 10th one is jobs corner. 11th is VIP students card. Then 12th, FAQ, frequently asked questions. It is followed by about us. Then on the 14th number is Twitter, 15th Facebook, and 16th eSwim. This is also one of our ambitious project, and the last one is share the app. First, fluency test. We will see these are the windows, one by one will be open. If customer clicks on fluency test, then he's going to see these window, and if you start the test, you'll get the timer on top left corner. The time for the test is 3 minutes 180 seconds. And fluency test, by tapping on fluency test, student or the customer can attend their English speaking fluency test. This test has 180-second time limit. Students will come to know their score instantly after finishing the test. At the end of the result, students will get their score, and application or the system will recommend them the suitable English speaking course. Then there is one option, did you know? This is the most eye-opening option, I can say. By tapping on this option, students will come to know the amazing facts about the natural language learning process, how the children learn English or their native language or their mother tongue without studying boring and confusing grammar rules. You'll come to know all this stuff in Did You Know section. Students and customer will get a glimpse of free English speaking course in this curriculum. This is the phototype of free English speaking course. Then we have the ABCD videos. These are the powerful videos. They look like this. ABCD videos are the basic structural foundation and fundamental of natural language learning process based on Dr. Stephen Krashen's research. These videos are great content for every student. These videos reduce psychological pressure from the students of the grammar. This is the great way to learn to speak English without studying grammar rules, and this reduces the psychological pressure from the students. Now, when you click on free course, we have 7 videos over there, and they'll appear like this. Free English speaking course. This is free English speaking course for everyone. This course helps students to know exact natural process of language learning, which is described by Dr. Stephen Krashen. This course contains seven golden this course contains seven golden secret rules, which help students to speak English naturally without studying boring and confusing grammar rules. This course is mandatory for everyone who wants to purchase our any premium course. On the completion of this course, students will receive the course completion digital certificate. Then we have the podcast section. This is one of the great tool to learn to speak English. Then we have the podcast section. This is one of the great tool to learn to speak English. Okay, I was checking, is there anything problem or is there any problem? So I guess everything is working fine. So let's move on. Now, what is podcast? Podcasts are just MP3 format of the videos or the talk show without any script. Podcasts are a great tool to learn faster because students can simply listen to the podcast anytime without even looking into the phone screen. Suppose if you're watching any video content on English speaking, till the time you're watching this phone screen, you will able to understand what the exactly content is about. But see, if you want to learn to speak English, you have to use your ears very effectively. This is what we can achieve through the podcast. We have large number of podcasts in the podcast app or podcast app option, and the podcasts are increasing rapidly day by day. Then there is a testimonial. This is the section. This is our student section. What they feel, what they want to say about our courses. We have students from Mumbai, Bihar, then Pune, Amritsar, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You can read all these testimonials. Testimonials, these are the words of our VIP students. Then we have buy course option. We have one free course and two paid course. Free course is for everyone. Then we have a trial English speaking course that is for 7 days that will cost the student rupees 199 include GST. I would say, and here we have plus GST. We have not included GST in this. And the second one is Foundation Plus English Speaking course from beginner level to advanced level. It will cost them 4420, include GST. Then we have Ask Amol section, Ask Amol option. In this section, students can chat live with our chatbots. They can start communication with each other in the LTN community if they want to ask any questions about natural language learning process, or if they found any new problem, or if they're stuck in any problem, they can discuss their problem on LTN community section. Then we have the request call section also. Okay, live webinar. Live webinars are, or live webinar is basically a live class on students' mobile phone. This is like you are sitting in the class directly, and you're accessing the information what the teachers are going to teach you. Basically, it's an online class, you can say. In the section, time, date, content, and teacher's name and other notification of the webinar will be flashed in the tab. In this live webinar tab option, you'll get upcoming webinars information directly into the live webinar section. Upcoming seminars and webinars will be listed there. So this is the interface. This is how the Ask a Mole option will appear. Then Ask a Mole, this is simply great communication tool between students and customers. Students can reach or ask any question directly to Amol, directly to me. Students can directly chat with the assistant trainer, chatbots to improve their English speaking ability. Then in our community forum, students can ask questions to each other, or the students can answer anyone's questions directly. This community will help to engage the students and influence other students or customers to share their ideas, thoughts, and feelings in English. So this is the basic purpose of community, where we can build our English speaking community and all over the internet. By requesting a request call, online assistant trainer will call the students on given time, date, and will help them to solve their problem. If any student asks or clicks on the request call, he have to fill the details like name, email ID, address, purpose, questions, and date time of when he want to receive the call. Then the data will pull up to the assistant online trainer, and they will call back them and solve their problem in order to learn to speak English. Okay, then we have Jobs Corner, where we have openings from all over the India, and students directly can apply to the jobs. Okay, so this is the window that will look like this. Jobs Corner, this is the most important feature of Let's Talk Now. We help students, customers to get the appropriate job according to their location, education, work experience, and communication skill. We only provide interview details to the students, and student needs to crack interview on their own. Jobs Corner option will only be available for only VIP students. That means if any student is a VIP student, then he can receive the jobs opportunities from Let's Talk Now. Okay, we deal only in private sector jobs, not in government, any government subsidiary. We deal in only private section jobs. Okay, so the next is we have a student membership card. So this is the membership card. uh, Customers will get their card, digital card, in this option. Okay, this is the identification and identity of students. Only VIP students will receive this VIP card. This VIP card contain the QR code and all the essential information of the students. And like when he have purchased, we have 100% money back guarantee for 60 days. Okay, if somebody is not happy, not satisfied with our program or our course, then he can ask us for money back. We will give them 100% money back amount in 16 days. Okay, then students and customers can redeem their points by using this card. Students can redeem their points by using this card. This card is valid for only 5 years. Then we have FAQ section. FAQ section opens large varieties and large number of questions about the Let's Talk Now. It's necessary to come to know all the basic information or the basic questions or the interface about the application. So this is the one of the basic structure. I mean, if you go through this, you will come to know all the things, how the things are working in Let's Talk Now application. Okay, this is one of the best tool, I can say. Then we have about us, and this we have three options, sub options: about us, maps, and contact. And about us, we have notified our mission, vision, awards we won, then when it was founded, and who are the trainers along with the main trainer. Then we have Twitter section, Twitter handle, our social media handle. Customers will come to know about our social media activity. Then we have Facebook page. We have almost same content posted every day on the Twitter and on the Facebook, so the students and customer can access our daily updates. Then we have eSwim section. Now eSwim is our next ambitious project, in which we are working currently right now, and pretty soon it will be available for everyone. This is also the educational um, information tool, or you can say the next app we are working on. And for more updates are coming soon. We are updating daily, or we are getting new updates every day. You will come to know this. Then the last one is share the app. By using this tool, you can share the app link over the SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and on other social media platforms. So this is all for the today's training. I'll see you tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.